And that is where we start tonight at 5. Good evening. I'm Jonathan Martin.
And I'm Jennifer Bellamy. Right now, former employees are rallying outside of the CDC after a new round of layoffs. As many as 2,400 jobs at the CDC could be eliminated. And tonight we are hearing from one of the workers who was let go. 11 Alive's Joe Ripley joining us live outside of the CDC headquarters in East Atlanta. And Joe, the effects of these firings are personal and really wide-ranging.
Yeah, many folks tonight having to find new lines of work and others heading home to their families unemployed tonight. Right now, we are outside the CDC headquarters here in East Atlanta. You can see folks holding signs railing against these federal government cuts. We've heard honks of horns in solidarity with those affected tonight. Several CDC employees here in Atlanta received an email today saying they were being let go. It's all part of a major restructuring of the Department of Health and Human Services, which impacts this country's health agencies. Up to 10,000 people could lose their jobs in the latest wave of layoffs, with a focus on jobs in areas, quote, of high cost of living and jobs deemed to be redundant. This coming after President Donald Trump signed an executive order ending collective bargaining for multiple agencies, including the CDC. One CDC worker we spoke with today says they found out they were fired in an email.
I am less afraid for myself. I am single. I do not have a family to support. So many of my coworkers have families who I don't know what they must be thinking right now. One of my coworkers is 7 months pregnant, just got fired.
You know, it was really notable as we saw a bevy of cars leaving the CDC's facility here in East Atlanta. The honking of horns, the chants here, all again in support of them as they try to navigate their next steps forward. We'll discuss that at 6, along with some of the longer-term public health impacts to come. We're live outside the CDC headquarters in Atlanta. Joe Ripley, 11 Alive News.
All right, Joe. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. says he expects to eliminate as many as 62,000 positions in total, which would equate to about a quarter of the department.